What if your entire content distribution workflow just ran itself? No manual uploads, no copying metadata, no chasing thumbnails. That was the dream. The reality? My YouTube pipeline had been dead for months. Videos sitting there, no distribution, no automation, nothing. This week, I finally rebuilt it from scratch. Node.js, API, integrations, rate limit handling, the whole thing. And now, it runs 95% of the time without me touching it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I built, what broke first, and what every builder needs to know about making automation actually stick. Here's what actually killed my pipeline the first time. And it wasn't a big dramatic crash. It was death by 1,000 small failures. API rate limits hit at weird hours, and nothing retried gracefully. Video timestamps were inconsistent across different hosting platforms, so syncing broke quietly. No alerts, no fallback, just silence. I'd check days later and realize nothing had published. This is the real enemy of automation. Not the hard failures you see immediately, but the soft failures you don't notice until the damage is done. Sound familiar? Most builders hit this exact wall. The rebuild started with one rule: assume everything will fail. First, I built an API integration wrapper specifically designed to handle rate limits. Exponential backoff, retry queues, the works. Then I built a content metadata normalizer, so timestamps and titles stay consistent no matter which platform they're going to. And critically, I added a small real-time dashboard so I can actually see what the pipeline is doing at any moment. I also kept a manual fallback process documented for when automation fails. That last part sounds obvious, but most builders skip it. Don't skip it. Let me walk you through what actually happens now. The Node.js script monitors the YouTube API endpoint and detects when new content is ready. It pulls the metadata, runs it through the normalizer to make sure everything is consistent, then pushes to every distribution platform simultaneously. The thumbnail generator kicks in automatically, pulling from video metadata to create previews without any manual work. If any single step hits a rate limit, the wrapper catches it, queues it, and retries without stopping the rest of the pipeline. The whole thing runs on a schedule, and I get an alert only when something actually needs my attention. Here are the actual numbers. The pipeline now runs, without human intervention, about 95% of the time. The channel is back to publishing around 3 videos per week. I'm saving roughly 15 to 20 minutes per week on manual distribution tasks, which sounds small, but that's compounding time I get back every single week forever. The best moment: watching the script publish a video complete with auto-generated thumbnail and description without me lifting a finger. That's the feeling you're building toward. 2 ideas already spinning out of this: a multi-source content aggregator for trending topics in my niche, and a smarter thumbnail generation system. More on those soon. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one repetitive workflow you do manually right now. Content, data, whatever your domain is. Don't build the happy path first. Build the failure handling first. Add retry logic, add an alert. Document your manual fallback before you need it. That mindset shift is what separates automation that runs for a week from automation that runs for a year. If you're curious about the Open Squiller token-efficient agent framework or the data analysis agent trending on GitHub right now, both are worth looking at for building this kind of resilient workflow. Links in the description. Subscribe for more real builder stories and drop a comment. What's the one workflow you want to automate next?